contact lenses to create an Asian-inspired makeup look. Mix salmon-colored and gray-toned concealers. And if your dark circles aren't too noticeable, apply a thin layer. This shade works well for mild pigmentation-based dark circles, and a basic layer should be enough to cover them. Use the lightest shade to brighten the face, focusing on the sunken area at the base of the nose. If you have a rounder nose tip, draw 2 highlight lines from the sides of the nose toward the tip to create a slimmer effect.
Use a matte cushion foundation and apply it in thin layers, blending well. Once done, add another layer to the center of the face to make the skin look cleaner and fuller. Take a soft peachy blush and apply it to the center of the face to add dimension. Lightly sweep some on the forehead and the tip of the nose to give the complexion a fresh, healthy glow. Pinch a dot blending brush flat, take a pink blush, and apply it in an upside-down triangle shape under the eyes. Blend the edges softly to create a natural transition. Add a bit of blush to the nose tip, cupid's bow, and chin for a slightly soft, flushed effect. Deepen the outer corners of the eyes using dark brown eyeshadow. And apply a heavier shade on the lower lash line. Use the same blush shade to softly blend the center of the upper eyelid, then layer and deepen the outer corners for extra definition. Use a small brush to intensify the inner corners of the eyes, subtly making them appear larger. Define the base of the lower lashes and use any leftover product to enhance the edgy cell, the puffy under eye area for a youthful look. Almost forgot contouring. Draw a large C shape in the eye socket and contour the nose bridge down to the tip for symmetry. To make the nose look sharper, add horizontal shading above and below the tip to create a lifted effect. Now for the bling bling. Draw an upward winged eyeliner and apply inner eyeliner along the lash line for a more defined look. Draw a few lower lashes for extra detail, then curl the lashes for a lifted effect.
For mascara, brush the upper lashes straight upward to extend and hold the curl.
Use a zigzag motion on the lower lashes to make them look fuller, longer, and more noticeable. Conceal the natural lip color and apply a sheer, neutral shade as a base. Deepen the inner lips with dark brown for a soft gradient effect. Finally, add a few freckles for a natural and playful touch. And it's done.